Hello and welcome to SimplySolve's Video Resource Library. In this session, we're going to cover resetting the database to its factory condition. LiAM comes populated with some sample data that allows you to explore the database with a sample set of data. But when it comes time to get ready to use the program, you're going to want to clear that out. So this is how we would do that. As the network administrator who initially created the account, you've got access to some of these buttons down here on the left control panel. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this Reset LiAM to Factory. It'll warn you that you're about to lose all the data in your database. Select OK if you're ready, and you're going to see that it's backing up your server just in case you change your mind. You'll have a fresh backup available to restore. Now it's going to clear out the data and ask you some questions. Do you want to clear out the existing programs that are in LiAM, the users? And do you want to repopulate it with demo data? No, we're going to go ahead and clear out the database. So once it finishes, you'll be able to validate by going to your Asset tab and select your asset list and see that there is no data in the system. You can also come over here to your administrator panel and see that you as the network administrator are the only user, and now you're ready to add your real users, you're ready to create programs if you need to, and ready to start populating assets either individually or through our upload modules. Okay, if you ever wanted to go back and repopulate the database with sample data, you may want to have that available as a training version for people to train on. You can easily go ahead and reset LiAM to factory, clear out, and restore the demo data. It's going to repopulate the demo data, all the configurations are going to be set, and then you're going to be able to go to your asset page, and all of your demo data has now been restored. This completes our session on the resetting of the LiAM database to its factory condition. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us on our website contact page at simplysolve.com and let us know how we can help you.